Welcome to the 2019 Windermere Bowling event. I'm Todd Wright. I'll be your host this evening, and this is Doug Simcock.
Hi, everybody.
Say howdy, Doug.
As you can tell, this here is a Western event.
Well, as you can tell from looking at from me, this here's a Western event. I'm not sure that Doug got that memo.
Oh, come on! This is a great hat. Well,
it's a phenomenal hat.
Just because it's a Western event doesn't make me a cowboy. Let's all be clear on that. But we are so glad all of you are here.
We couldn't do any of this without you folks.
Well, yeah, because otherwise it'd just be me and Todd here bowling. So,
me and the wizard, I guess.
This is my other Western hat.
I think Westerns may be a little bit liberal on that one.
What we really need to get to is thank you from the bottom of our hearts for being here. It's important to give back in the communities that we serve, and so our foundation allows us to give back to families in need in our valley. And so thank you. You being here makes giving back possible.
So, Doug, okay, now you're not even trying.
Well, the other hat's for when I'm riding my horse. This is for when I'm riding my tractor and the wind's blowing sideways.
Save a horse, people. Save a horse. Hey, Doug. Why don't you tell us a little bit more about Windermere and about the foundation and how it's funded and how it benefits our community?
Great question, Todd.
Thank you. It's almost like we rehearsed.
I know. I love talking about this. Our foundation, first and foremost, is funded by the agents, the brokers who are here. They contribute out of every commission. So very literally, when you work with a Windermere broker, you make giving back possible. So I work with a really great team. The other way we raise funds is do events like this, and the Windermere Foundation Bowling event. This is our largest event of the year, and it's when we raise the most dollars. And I think it's important to note also that 100% of the funds generated tonight come back to Walla Walla to be deployed to families in need in our valley right here. So really cool. All right, well. Now it's time to bowl, Todd. So before we do, it's important for everybody to know the rules.
Absolutely, and let's talk about the rules. Now that you have a hat that is identical to mine.
Yes, just like yours, Todd. Yes, when I saw this, it's like everybody wants to be like Todd, and there you go.
Identical. I don't see any difference whatsoever.
The black band.
Let's talk about the rules. On your scorecard, you'll see a team name. This is about a team average. There's a spot to put your team score in, and you take your total team score by adding up all the individual scores divided by the number of players on the team, and that gives you your team average. In addition to that, you'll see the turkey area of the scorecard, and a turkey is anytime you get, well, Doug knows this, how many strikes in a row do you need to get for a turkey?
3.
That is correct. 3.
3 strikes in a row is a turkey. 4. So if you get that, you put your name there, and
you'll go in a special drawing.
A drawing. Only those who score
turkey
a turkey
drawing
will go into a turkey drawing, and there's going to be a special turkey prize.
Yeah. One other thing, a couple other things. Only the first game after this video ends, you're welcome to start bowling, but it's only the first game that counts. After your first game, that all goes on the scorecard. You're welcome to continue bowling until everybody else finishes. And then we'll do some prizes at the end. There'll probably be some raffle prizes. Not raffle, sorry. What are we allowed to call it? Some random prizes throughout.
Well, you've been given tickets when you arrived.
Yes,
and so
we'll be drawing those
when
tickets.
We call numbers on the ticket numbers, look at yours, because we're going to try to give away a lot of stuff tonight. So
yeah, and I believe that covers the basics. Anything else we missed?
Except for the fact we may want to shoot this segment again.
Possibly.